Hello YouTube, this is me again. Welcome to my channel. It's been a couple of months since I started it. I've been trying to pop as many videos I can make. I'm not in a rush to do like a million videos. I just, every time I'm in my garage, I try to either get what I'm doing on video or I don't record it and just show the end result, because sometimes watching somebody do 5,000 little welds or take screws out is pretty boring. So, and I agree, some people, I don't like the high speed dubbing videos because nobody likes watching all the time. I mean, I don't like whatever the hell. You see people talking in Mighty Mouse, whatever the hell thing. So I'm not going to do that. Um, I'm just making regular videos for whoever wants to watch. If you don't like the channel, you don't like the channel. Hopefully, I'll probably make some other videos. Maybe me putting the ceiling up. Um, right now the videos are basically in my garage, focus on this workbench and in this space. I think enough people see the rest of the world. This is pretty much what I do for fun. I either build stuff, take apart stuff, run out of consumables and buy more consumables and make more stuff. I pick up wood from the side of the road and I save it and make projects. I'm making a right now. If you look at my videos, I got a shoe bench. I'm making. My mother-in-law wanted a bench. It's not like, it's not the prettiest thing, but it's a functional thing. A shoe rack with a bench on top. I'm gonna try to make one that's a little more aesthetically pleasing. Um, if you watch a video by a guy named Scott Turner, I really love the way he does stuff, and I'd like to try to make something similar to him. I keep posting comments on his thing saying, "Will you please make something ugly for once?" I think he gets a cricket. He's in Australia. Really good channel. Yeah, I think it's Scott Turner. Uh, so yeah, this is my channel, and it's just me doing stuff. I find it's a really good way for me to like just, like, kind of like you end your day and you're just off gas. It resets the brain and something to do. Everyone else is like, clicking on their gadgets and waiting for likes. It's fun and all, but I find it like, for me personally, you got to do something hands on. Like, go hug a tree, go for a walk, knit, sew, whatever, play lacrosse, whatever you want to do it. But it's, get the hell away from the computer. Yeah, here I am saying get away from the computer, but no, but I do this in my garage. I put it on video and basically share it with the world. Plus, it's like a record of me doing stuff. If I drop dead tomorrow, so you got 50 videos of me doing something. You won't see my face in my videos very often. I'm not really one to showing my face. My face is getting skinnier. I'm 12 pounds lighter from when I started these things. So I woke up and just decided I gotta lose weight. I'm the heaviest I've ever been in my life, and I need to lose about 40 pounds. Sleep apnea, that doesn't help. I was having a hard time breathing a couple weeks ago. The weight loss helped. It's getting better. This mic picks up my breathing way too good. Nice. It's a cheap mic, but it works really well. If you like my channel, feel free to like, subscribe, and if you see anything in the background, I'm not selling it. There's a big green sign here. There's an old clock piece of my grandfather's. There's just junk hanging everywhere. It's my garage. I'll try not to show you any of it. It's a mess. When I clean it all up perfectly, like it looks like a hospital, maybe I'll show you. So yeah, and if you know anybody else would like my channel, it's just a regular guy doing regular shit. And sometimes I'm not doing regular shit. I don't have a PhD in medicine. I'm an amateur welder. I have a milling machine, so I'm like not even a machinist, but I like watching machinist videos. And I hope I can make somebody happy watching videos. I like watching tons of YouTube channels. And if you noticed, I'll try to smile more, make more faces. Yeah, everybody tells me I don't smile much. I have a kind of a monotone voice. I'm working on it, so bear with me. I'm getting used to the, excuse me, it's not the corona. I'm trying to get used to putting my face and my voice on camera. It's kind of weird. But anyway, like and subscribe and hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next video.